Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy July 6th. Yeah, look what I have on my bench. This is a Steinberger base that came in. I've already done all of the work that the owner requested of me to do for the setup, and I've cleaned the fretboard and did a good polish on the frets. I believe this is stainless steel frets, so they have kind of a more of a dull look to them than that shiny look. Set up the intonation, did the string height. Ended up having to shim this neck to tilt that neck back to get the string action down where it's acceptable and that the saddles aren't necessarily bottomed out. Probably could stand putting one more shim in there, but as you can see, the saddles are still fairly low with regard to the height that they have available. The pickguard was broken when this instrument was brand new. By the way, this instrument was purchased at Apple Music in Portland, one of my all-time favorite and sadly closed guitar shops. Kelly, that owned that shop, was a great guy. Always drove the coolest cars, and he was just a really fun guy. Every time I'd walk in there, he'd say hello and greet me and show me a new guitar. But this was purchased in 1998, or I'm sorry, wait, 1978. And it's got a little kickstand down here for sitting and playing, so you can rest the instrument on your leg. Now, again, I've done all the setup work, the thing's in tune. But here's a question for my auto body friends out there. If this was on a car and you had to remove this and shine it up and polish it, how much do you think that would cost? If this was on the door of a car, or just say the trunk of a car, a nice flat surface on the, say, the trunk lid of a car. I'm curious what you might charge to remove this, because that's something I'm going to do for this gentleman with some wet and dry sandpaper. Hey, I hope y'all are having a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm about to go play a gig over in beautiful Troy, Oregon tonight. Really looking forward to that. Y'all have a great day. Peace.